Take a look at a male orchid bee's backside. Notice those oversized bee thighs. On their backside, do you see that little mark? That's an opening to a large pocket. These back legs are completely hollow. Here's how they're used. As male orchid bees visit different flowers, they collect sweet-smelling oils and pack them into their hollow back legs. As they visit more and more flowers, they add more and more scents to these leg pouches, creating their very own unique perfume. When their perfume pouches are full, the bee will find a spot to hover and buzz its wings to project its leg perfume out into the world, all in hopes of attracting the attention of a female bee. And if she likes the smell, she might come by and say hello to the sweet-smelling